Hello guys, welcome back to get another video here, new week, you know what I'm saying? October, the last 3 months of 2022, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy FME. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all of that nice stuff, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, today we'll be looking at, you know what I'm saying, Bitcoin, BTC, crypto market has been interesting, you know what I'm saying? First, starting off of the month time frame. By the way, like, comment, share, subscribe, share your friends and your uncles and your dads and your aunties and your moms and all of them people, them share all of them. Yeah. Anyways, so as we can see, key level of resistance here, support here, and here. So we can tell that this area is a key point of interest for traders, both buyers and sellers perspective. So we can already identify what we call a supply, not bad, a key supply or demand zone. Now, looking at the last 3 months, we can see that price has failed to break this key level, which is support here. As you can see, there's a huge bearish candle here. However, price went up. You know what I'm saying? Came down, failed to break it. You know what I'm saying? Giving us what we call a weak bearish candle, suggesting that there could be a potential what we call a double bottom, suggesting an upside to touch the structures, the bearish structure of this market. So that is what the current market is showing us so far. However, we don't candles can only be like obviously like analyzed and interpreted when they're closed. If a candle is not closed, that doesn't mean the candle is what it is at that point in time. So yeah, that is for the monthly time frame. All right, so going on a weekly, quite the same situation as we can see here. It's a very as already identified. So yeah, it's a demand zone, supply zone here. Um, so you can see, yeah. So and obviously we've been seeing that price has been in this range between the 25k 18k range basically for the past since June to now. Price has just been in this range, doing all this obviously double bottom up, seeing liquidity is grabbed by sellers, push the price down, comes and retest of the last support slash resistance, push it down, however, fails to break the support. So we can tell that price has been in this range for a minute. So yeah, it's as I said, yeah, as I was saying, we can see that price has been ranging between 25k to the 18k price ratio. However, now looking on a weekly time frame, we have already identified what we call a supply zone slash resistance. So obviously price went up from here, went up to break the structure, came and tested the support, went up. However, since obviously liquidity, I think new fundamental aspects came in the market, pushed price down, now came and tested this support here, turn resistance, causing obviously to become a key area that we can identify here. So right now, I'm expecting price to push all the way out to test this resistance slash support that we have on the weekly time frame. As we can see here, this is a very key area or point of interest that I would be paying attention to on the next couple of days to week or two coming. So it's very, very important that we pay attention to these ranges. So yeah, moving on to the daily. So we can see, the daily, similar, same in terms of same outcomes. I said there's consolidation. Price going up, 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 up. However, sellers take control, push price down, back to support, up, tests the resistance, pushes price down again. So we're just in a what we call a range, as we can see here. So all we've got to do, if obviously for us, because we do have a lot of fundamental aspect that does affect the market in terms of news, interest rate, inflation, all these things do have an influence in obviously investments strategies, and obviously how people react to the news that come out and affect especially the crypto market. So yeah, so from here and so forth, I'll be looking. Obviously, we can see that price has been, has touched this level of support. Very very important. It was pushed it up here. We can expect a continuation. Maybe like a little, in the next daily candle might close above here, and then come back and push to test the neckline of this level here, and then push up to test the resistance identified, or even push up further, touch there and touch this demand area that we have, identified on, you know, the daily time frame. So right now, this is how I'm seeing BTS, and this could be a good in terms of price range. We're looking about we're at a good 25%. So depending on how, obviously, if you're a day trader or whatever, your scalper or swing trader, you know, you can grab some potential profit of 25% to the upside to touch the at least the highs of this bearish, trend slash consolidation that we're currently in the market, you know, based on the the what we call it, the daily time frame. Now we can look up some news as well. So for example, this week is obviously the first week of October. So normally the first week normally comes with news, obviously like relating to the previous months in terms of NFPs, news about inflation, basically the fundamental factors that have influence in the market. So the macroeconomic factors. So obviously we can see on Wednesday we have the non-farm and obviously employment change, which is very very key news that is going to shake the market. It means higher volatility in the market. We have the ISM service PMI, which is another factor that obviously takes in account into inflations and all things like that. And then obviously on Friday we have NFP again, and you have unemployment. So all these news are really going to be important for the market, especially this Friday and Wednesday upcoming. So we can already tell that the market is going to be very very volatile, especially crypto and the indices market. So the USDs, the USD 30s, the dollar index, the UK hundreds, S&P 500s, and the crypto market, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. So these are going to be very volatile on Wednesday to Friday. So just be on the lookout. If you're day trading, make sure your stop losses are not too tight so that you don't get squeezed down. All these things. So yeah. Now yeah, back to so we can see on the order flow side we have like a plus of 745. These are non-commercial people that are in to trade to make profit, and obviously a plus 298. So we can definitely see there's a difference in terms of there are more longs in the market, suggesting that the price of Bitcoin should eventually, go up and test at least the resistance identified on a weekly time frame here, which is a demand, what we call it, a demand zone that we have here. So yeah, I'll be on the lookout. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments. That is my take on Bitcoin for this week. Drop your comments, like, share, subscribe, do all that nice stuff. And it's been your boy FMA, and peace.